Welcome back, artistic family. I am doing a re-pour over a 16 by 20. I painted the canvas with some white and black that was on my sponge. Good to go. I am covering it with white. The color palette I'm using today is the same colors that I used in my last pour. So if you're interested, go check that out. I am doing a swipe today using two different swiping size tools, possibly. So let's get going. Again, nothing in my paints, guys, at all. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ooh. That's a custom color I made. Again, if you're looking for details, go check it out. The information is in my other video. And again, it's beautiful. Now, sometimes I do like a skip, and it's very slight, and it creates these kind of skips and lines in between, and it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Pull some of this obsidian up here. A little skippy there. Again, it adds depth too, as well.